receive the orders that go on the schedule. This is just a standard design that comes from the office to here. I bring it up in our program. I batch what trusses we need in one particular batch and send it to my saws. They get worksheets. They get what plates come on each truss or each job, what boards come for each. I have two different saws. I have a component saw and a linear saw, and each board goes to a specific saw depending on length or what type of board, what type of cut comes to it, and then I send them to my saws. This is where it all starts. This is our raw materials. We got 2x8s, 2x6s sitting here. He picks what he needs, brings it up, and we set it on the material conveyor. Once he gets exactly what he needs from the sheets that I have given him, we'll load it up. Material sheets inside the saw to a preset saw blade position. These guys over here, they have the same cut sheets so they know exactly what's coming out. They get to write down the description and what trusses they go to. That was our component saw. This is our linear saw. It's a little different. It could do a wider range of angles. It is the same concept. I have a cooker. He feeds the live deck. This machine automatically optimizes what I put on my computer to a board specifically that I need to cut out to get the least amount of weight out of it. That way we're not constantly taking our waste dumpsters out and actually wasting any material. Whenever it comes out, it does have the job name, web, what web it is, and the length of the web. So when we get it out to the truck shop,